Relative pronouns connect a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun. They provide more information about a noun or pronoun in the main clause. The most common relative pronouns in English are who, whom, whose, which, that, where.
Let's start the quiz. Option A. Who? The boy who won the race is my friend. Option C. Which? This is the book which I borrowed from the library. Option D. Whose? The woman whose car was stolen and called the police. Option C. Which? The house which we live in is very old. Option A. Who? The teacher who taught us math is very kind. Option B. That. The dog that barked all night belongs to our neighbor. Option B. Whom? The girl whom you met yesterday is my sister. Option B. Where? The city where I was born is very beautiful. Option D. Whose? The man whose wallet was found returned to thank us. Option C. Which? The movie which we watched last night was amazing. Option A. Who? The boy who is sitting next to me is my best friend. Option C. Which? The cake which my mom baked was delicious. Option B. Where? The park where we played is near our house. Option D. Whom? The woman whom you helped is my aunt. Option C. Which? The car which broke down is being repaired. Option D. Whose? The boy whose bike was stolen is crying. Option B. Where? The restaurant where we ate is very popular. Option A. Who? The girl who won the competition is very talented. Option A. Who? The man who is wearing a blue shirt is my uncle. Option D. Whose? The dog whose tail is wagging is very friendly. Option B. Where? The school where I study is very big. Option D. Whom? The boy whom you are talking to is my cousin. Option C. Which? The laptop which I bought is very fast. Option C, which? The book which you gave me is very interesting. Option A, who? The woman who is standing there is my teacher. Option C, which? The cat which is sleeping on the sofa is mine. Option D, whose? The house whose roof is red is my home. Option B, where? The park where we go to is very clean. Option C, whom? The boy whom you saw is my brother. Option C, which? The phone which I lost was very expensive. Option A, who? The girl who is singing has a beautiful voice. Option C, which? The car which is parked outside is mine. Option C, whom? The man whom you met is a famous actor. Option D, whose? The book whose cover is torn is still readable. Option B, where? The place where we stayed was very comfortable. Option A, who? The boy who is playing football is my classmate. Option C, which? The dog which is barking is very loud. Option B, whom? The woman whom you helped is very grateful. Option C, which? The laptop which is on the table belongs to me. Option D, whose? The boy whose bike is new is very happy. Option B, where? The city where I visited last year is very crowded. Option A, who? The girl who is dancing is my sister. Option C, which? The car which you bought is very fast. Option A, who? The man who is wearing glasses is my father. Option D, whose? The dog whose tail is long is very playful. Option B, where? The park where we played football is very big. Option C, whom? The boy whom you are talking about is my friend. Option C, which? The book which I am reading is very interesting. Option A, who? The woman who is cooking is my mother. Option C, which? The cat which is black is very cute.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos.